Hi friends, I'm back with another video, and you know what? I'm going to bake for the first time. Today I'm going to bake a Christmas carrot cake. A Christmas cake is a must. For the cake we need 1 glass of sugar. We will need 3/4 cup oil, 1 cup of wheat flour, a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 cups of grated carrot, and half cup of chopped nuts. For the cake you need eggs. If you don't eat eggs, you can take a banana. My baby doesn't eat eggs, so I will be using banana instead. For the icing, you will need half cup of powdered sugar, and you will need some water. Now follow all the steps that I'm doing, and then your yummy cake will be ready. The batter of the cake is a little thick, so you need someone to help you to stir it. Let's get started with the yummy cake. Doesn't my cake look lovely?